Hello everyone, my name is Doruk Ulgen and this is Miracle Puzzle Mini, the close-up version of Miracle Puzzle, a sophisticated mystery experience. I like to call this the puzzle of life that fits perfectly inside this solid frame. Let's put the frame aside for a moment and look at the pieces. All of these pieces are different in size and different in shape, just like our lives, our families, our jobs, our friends, and everything like that. And when these are mixed up, it's really hard to put these all together and create a perfect rectangular again. But if we try hard enough, we can sure create the perfect picture of life. You may think, but life is not as easy as that. The unexpected happens all the time. An extra piece comes out and you don't know where to put this. Well, in order to put this inside the puzzle of life, you have to put in some effort, shift some pieces, and only then you can create the perfect spot for this neat piece. But life is not as easy as that. Unexpected happens all the time, and even a bigger piece comes out. What are you going to do now? Of course, you have to put in efforts again and shift the pieces and again create a perfect spot for this new coming piece. Are you done? Of course not, because this time this piece is left out again. Well, what are you going to do? Well, of course, you're going to shift the pieces and create a spot for this piece again, and you leave nothing out and create the perfect rectangular puzzle of life. And you might have noticed, even though I have added new pieces, and even though the frame is still the same size, it will fit perfectly into the puzzle of life. Thanks for watching. This is Miracle Puzzle Mini.